Have you ever wondered why Venus, our closest planetary neighbor, is often referred to as Earth's evil twin? As we embark on our solar system safari, we're making our first stop at Venus, the second planet from the Sun. Nestled comfortably between Mercury and Earth, Venus is often mistaken for a sibling of our home planet. Its size is nearly identical to Earth's, and the two planets share a similar composition. They're both rocky, terrestrial worlds, after all. But don't let these similarities fool you. Venus is far from being a carbon copy of our blue planet. Somewhere along the cosmic timeline, Venus veered off the path, becoming a world of extreme temperatures, crushing pressure, and acidic atmosphere. It's a place where no human could survive, a stark contrast to our life-filled world. While Venus may seem like a mirror image of our home, it holds a few secrets that make it vastly different. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the enigma that is Venus. What if we told you that Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though it's further from the Sun? Yes, you heard it right. Venus, our celestial neighbor, is a blazing inferno with surface temperatures reaching up to an astonishing 866 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat is not just because of Venus's proximity to the Sun, it's primarily due to a rampant greenhouse effect. In fact, Venus's atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide with thick clouds of sulfuric acid. These elements trap the Sun's heat, causing the temperature to soar. The heat on Venus is so extreme, it will melt lead, and the pressure is equivalent to being about half a mile under the ocean on Earth. This makes Venus, not Mercury, the hottest planet in our solar system. So next time you're feeling the heat, remember, it could always be hotter. You could be on Venus. How would you feel if your birthday came before a new day even dawned? Imagine living on a planet where a single day outlasts an entire year. Welcome to Venus, the cosmic oddball of our solar system. Venus rotates on its axis very slowly. In fact, so slowly that it takes approximately 243 Earth days to complete a single rotation. That's right, a single day on Venus is longer than 243 Earth days. Now let's talk about Venus's year. The time it takes for Venus to orbit the Sun is about 225 Earth days. Yes, you heard that right, Venus's year is shorter than its day. This mind-boggling phenomenon is due to the planet's slow rotation and its relatively quick journey around the Sun. So if you lived on Venus, you'd experience fewer days in a year. On Venus, you could celebrate your birthday and the New Year on the same day. What if we told you that on Venus the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east? Imagine a world where the entire concept of east and west is flipped, where the Sun breaks dawn from where it is supposed to set. Welcome to Venus, the upside-down planet. Now, before you start picturing a topsy-turvy landscape, let's clarify what we mean by upside down. Venus spins on its axis in the opposite direction to most other planets, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. This means that instead of rotating from west to east like our home planet, Venus rotates from east to west. This distinctive rotation results in a fascinating astronomical spectacle where the Sun appears to rise in the west and set in the east, the exact opposite of what we're used to. So the next time you watch the Sun set in the west, consider how different it would be if you were standing on the surface of Venus. So if you're ever feeling disoriented, just remember, it's all a matter of perspective. Ever heard of a beauty that can kill? Well, Venus, our celestial neighbor, fits that description to a T. You see, the dazzling brightness that makes Venus the third brightest object in our sky isn't due to a gentle, welcoming glow. Oh no. It's a result of deadly acidic clouds that shroud the entire planet. Imagine this. Dense layers of clouds stretching as far as the eye can see, comprised mostly of sulfuric acid. Yes, you heard that right. Sulfuric acid. These clouds are so reflective that they bounce back about 70% of the sunlight that Venus receives, making it shine brighter than any star in our night sky. But don't let its radiant appearance fool you. Those mesmerizing clouds are a deadly beauty, a testament to the extreme conditions that prevail on Venus. They serve as a stark reminder that even the most beautiful sights can harbor danger beneath their surface. Venus, a deadly beauty, reminds us that appearances can be deceiving.